Many years ago, in a small town of a distant land, there lived two very close friends. One was a barber, and the other was a sweet maker. However, both of them were extremely lazy and hated hard work. They were always looking for ways to earn money without doing any real work. Instead of working honestly, they used clever tricks to fool people and take money from them. But eventually, the people of the town discovered their true nature. No one trusted them anymore, and soon they were left with nothing. Their businesses completely failed, and life in that town became impossible for them. Finally, they decided to leave the town and go somewhere else. As they walked along the road talking to each other, the sweet maker said, "I have always fooled people with my sweet words, but now I am worried. Where will we go? It will be very hard to find a town where we can live comfortably without working." The barber smiled and replied, "I know a town where people pretend to be very religious and holy. People of different religions live there, and everyone thinks they're closest to God. I believe if we go there, those religious leaders will surely help us." The sweet maker said, "Religious people may guide us toward goodness, but how will that fill our stomachs?" The barber replied confidently, "I already have a plan. Just follow my lead and do exactly as I say." Soon they reached the town. The barber pointed toward it and said, "This is the place. The town is called Dharmapur." When they entered the town, they saw Muslims, Hindus, Sikhs, and Christians all living together peacefully. The sweet maker was amazed. "Wow, this is the first time I have seen a town where people of different religions live together with such harmony." The barber said, "Just be patient. Right now they look very kind, but you will understand their true nature soon." After walking for a while, they reached a crossroads. The barber whispered to his friend, "Lie down here and cover yourself with this sheet. Do not move until I tell you. Our earnings for the entire year will come from this very place." The sweet maker lay down on the ground and covered himself with the sheet, pretending to be unconscious. After a while, a Muslim man arrived there. He stopped and asked, "What happened? Who is this man lying here?" The barber said, "I am a stranger here. I found this man lying in the street and took him to a doctor. The doctor said his treatment will cost 1,000 rupees. I believe you are coming from the mosque.